Hello, unboxing. So we have new unboxing, so let's go. Oh, supposed to be vintage radio. That's my another future project. After Philco. Good stuff, nice packaging. Oh yeah. Oops. There we go. Let's see. Of course, I think so. Let's bring point. The mark point. No. How many sacks? An Xbox. Oh no. Really? Yeah. Yeah. Be careful, it's the power cord. Yeah. No. Smoke cigarettes. I smell cigarettes. Oh. So here it is. Oops. Here it is. VHF 81 Bush. Yep. With post delivery. Also it's still all together. Looks like okay. VHF aerial antenna. That's cool. Cigarette. Smell cigarette. Oh, cigarette smell. Cigarette. Yep. Yeah, everything is good. Yeah, tubes in there. Good. Oh. So yeah, look at this. All is good. Tubes in there. Origin capacitor, film. Let's see. Yep. How is tuning capacitor? Oh, Yep, work. Good. Yep. So that's his radio. Bush VHF 81.